Hi everyone, I'm Scott from United Rentals Trench Safety here in St. Albert, Alberta at branch E98. Really excited today to showcase and demonstrate assembly and disassembly of a new product that we've brought in. The MegaDeck HD Composite Matting. These mats are light, just under 1,100 pounds. You can get 40 of these mats onto one standard 53-foot deck trailer. Easily assembled. These are used to create access routes, roadways, and working platforms for both personnel, vehicles, and equipment. What we're going to do in the next little while is we're going to show how easily this product is assembled and disassembled. Let's get to work. Once the mat's in place and the holes lined up, we connect the mats with our cam locking pins like so. Simple as that. These cam locking pins are self-explanatory and very simple. You can see the two unlocked positions and the locked positions. So that's it in a nutshell. Disassembly is simply reverse order of what we've just demonstrated today. These are the tools required, very minimal. Your T-bar locking device, the actual cam pins themselves, the two alignment tools, and for when there's mud and debris, your pin extractor device. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. If you have any questions, contact your local trench safety branch with you.